Alright, this is a quick trend review. You have the lower time frame tape reading chart and the wave chart, and on top of that a higher time frame tape reading chart with a 50 box reverse 50 box size. That's basically a point figure of the volume. Anyway, so the action right now in the market is very significant, and it's important to see what is going on and what are the lines, and what phase is the market in, etc., etc. So initially, you could see from this area that the market consolidated here. Then there was a breakout, and then it just kept going on and breaking out again. What are the key behaviors? Obviously, the breakout. What caused this down move? That's important. What caused this down move? What was the indication that it was coming? Was basically this effort right here. This was the bag holding that the shorts did, and you could tell because you see the volume here and the bar here. There's less volume, more range, and after that, all this volume. But where's the reward? Where is it? It's not. It's just not there. So what happened was there was bag holding or effort reward, and that's a very key principle in Wyckoff. So all this effort and all this little reward in terms of price movement meant that price could not go higher because there were sellers at that level just selling, and buyers can try to buy and continue to buy at higher prices, but they would not let the bears would not let it go. Then after that, it built some cores, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it broke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Went to the target. More importantly, it went to test this area of the breakout. This is the breakout. That's the rally. The effort called the reversal, and it pulled back right here to test the breakout. Now that it did that, it started. You started seeing some volume. And at first, it was difficult to tell, but then you see this line over here. You see how it's connected like that? There was a very long a line here where the volume is building. This is their line. This is the line, the CM's line of accumulation or reaccumulation. And how did you know that this is maybe reaccumulation? That's not easy, because it could have gone the other way too. But it favored bullish side because someone knew something before this breakout, and this is evidence in their buying activity right here. See that? After it went down and it climaxed, it started moving sideways, and all of a sudden the buying activity came right here. This buying activity exposed the bulls that someone knew something as early as last week, around between 5/16 and 5/17, May 16 and May 17, and started buying right here. And the rest of this is just consolidation, where they're buying more. They're buying more and more and more and more, building their line of reaccumulation at the 24,700 area in the Dow. But that volume there, and whoever says point figure can't be used with volume, they're totally uninformed. Don't even listen to what they say. They're clueless. It's supposed to, you can easily combine volume with any type of chart. So forget about that. But anyway, the point here is that this is the line of reaccumulation. This is the heavy buying wave, and this is the consolidation. There's effort here, and it came out on Friday. Friday, there was a lot of effort, and I'm looking at this on Friday, and I knew that some group is doing something. This was evidenced by this lower time frame when there was 1,200 contracts towards the end of the day. I'm like, who the hell is going to buy 1,200 contracts during the end of the day? Is it short covering? It can't be short covering. Where the hell, because that's not how it looks. It's in a very tight range that they're purposely holding price in a very tight range and accumulating. And this was evidenced by here. Look at that buying, and all this buying in this little area. And I'm like, something's not right. The behavior is evidence of someone accumulating, knowing something and taking positions on it. And basically, this is what happened when the market opened. It gapped right up. But their positions, they've been buying since May 16th. Someone's been buying since May 16th. Between May 16th and May 17th, that's when the continuation move, and the rest over here is just holding. And now, in my opinion, you have quite a significant move up that's going to happen based off of this cause. This is a very significant line here that's been reaccumulating. You're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 boxes, each box 50. That's 700 points. Okay, so that there's a lot of cause there, and I think the market's back in its bull stage. Now we are at resistance, and cause may or may not work out, and they may sell resistance. I don't really, I'm not buying that though. It is possible, but from what I see, there may just be a pullback to test, and buyers are going to be all over that. Whatever happened, people knew about it in advance, took their positions, and broke out now, and any pullback, buyers are going to jump on it. Now, anything can happen, but that's what the tape is saying at this moment. So this line, you wanna observe this line, pay close attention to this 1, 2, 3. Look at all that juice. That's a lot of juice, and starts moving sideways like that, and then breaks out. Very, very nice. Anyway, that's the review. Thank you.